Hey everybody, this is Lynette with the Skin Candy. Thank you so much for joining us again today on another one of our soapy adventures. We are starting our March line of soaps. I know, spring is already here. It doesn't look like it outside right now. Where I live, we have gotten about 4 inches of snow and we are expecting to be getting about 4 more inches. So we're just still in the depths of winter where I live. So it's nice to be able to look ahead and make some fun springtime soaps. So March, colors are green and gold and white for me. St. Patrick's Day, all those, the fun holiday. And that's what we're going to be gearing our soaps around for this month. But the soap that we're going to be making today is the soap of the month. Or sorry, excuse me, the scent of the month. And our scent of the month is Agave Lime by Nature's Garden. And the colors we're going to be using today are Enchanted Forest by Mad Micas and Goldfinger by Mad Micas. Let me see. Oh, sorry. I've already melted down my oils and I have added in my kaolin clay and colloidal oats. I just haven't mixed that up yet. What I'm planning on doing is going to be doing a solid color of the Enchanted Forest on the bottom, kind of texture the top, and then add the Goldfinger mica as a layer. And then I'm going to be taking green and white and swirling it together and then adding it to the top. And then I'll be texturing the top just a little bit more and adding some more gold mica to the top. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, trying to do a little bit different designs than in the pot swirls and, you know, drop swirls that we usually do. So let's get this going and let's get soaping.